Kiroko kio muthe makiri ma andu kuma ngongo na ngongo magwikinyitie kiharo-ini kia Nyayo niguo kunyita itemi ihenya-ini ria Beyond Zero. Uri na wonje no uri otari othe makionekana gukenerera wirutiri uyu niguo kunyihanyihia ikuo cia atumia aritu, ciana cia ngenge na oho guteithiriria aria mari na thina wa Fistula.
Na nashukuru Mungu amenisaidia nimalize kilomita 10.
It was a good experience. It's wonderful to think about women and their kids.
Munini wa President William Ruto anyitirira mwaro ihenya-ini ria kilomita 21 riria rekirie na mathaa meri. Guku President Uhuru Kenyatta akiamukira First Lady thutha wake kurikia ihenya riake ria kilomita 10. O mwari akigathiriria bata wa ihenya riri riria tiga guteithiriria a Kenya kuiga ugima mwega wa mwiri niri guteithiriria hanene makiria kuri atumia aria matehotete,
particularly prenatal and postnatal medical treatment to less privileged women and children.
I wish to encourage each one of us to make use of these services which are available across the 47 counties.
Ihenya riri ritafanitio riri thi yothe rakungwira kiumia gia atumia. First Lady agitambura atumia akuru na aria monanitie wendo wao hari bururi kumana na wirutiri wao.
We dedicate it to women living with obstetric fistula to advocate for policy protection and bring hope that will change their lives. We dedicate it to babies who are the future of this country.
Aria matanahota kwiyumiria makirirwo mweke ungita uyu mwaka-ini ukite uria nginyagia President eranire gukana nyita itemi.
The one you had tried to say maybe you will start with 2 kilometers. I am told it is for expectant mothers. The expectant mothers are the ones. So you have no choice but now to start with the 5 kilometers.
Sasa umeingilia zaidi. So minimum 5 lakini tutaona kama tutaweza 10.
Kuma ihenya ria Beyond Zero riambiririo mwaka-ini wa 2014 riunganitie mbeca iria iteithiriirie o county kwamukira ngari cia guteithiriria gukinya motungata ma ugima wa mwiri matura-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.